So this video I'll teach you how to create a standard account. So first step is click Windows plus U to go to settings, then click home, account, then select family and other users. Add someone else to this PC. To your PC, you see select the I don't have this person sign in. Click it, then choose add a user without a Microsoft account. So please just a moment. Please wait. Then enter your standard account username. Then the password. Then re-enter your password. Next is the security question. So we're going to answer that. We can proceed to next step. Click next, then it's done. X. Then create a folder, then rename it. The name of our folder is test folder. Then we're going to add two words in that folder. Next is right click properties, then security, edit, add the name of your standard account. Then OK, then apply, OK, then OK, then Windows plus L to go to student standard account, then enter your password. Then as you can see, we're going to wait because it takes a long time until your standard account is going to open. So after several minutes, almost there. So it's open. Then to standard account, search the folder that we made it administrator, the test folder. Then open the one word, then X, then X, then assimilator, then X, then X. Search the folder again, then try to delete it. So as you can see, we're going need the permission of administrator before we delete it. So X. Next, we're going back in administrator account. Then right click the folder, then properties, click advanced, then check the encrypt the secure data, apply, OK, apply, OK, then Windows plus L, then sign in, as you can see, the folder is lock it. Then Windows plus L again. Then log in the standard account. Then search the folder again. The test folder. Then try to open. As you can see, we do not open and we not read throwback. Back to administrator. Then right click properties. Then click security, edit. Then the standard account. Check modify and uncheck read. Then OK. Apply. OK. Then lock it again. We're back to standard account. Then standard account. Then the test folder. Then try to open. As you can see, we cannot edit or read. So XX. Then sign out the standard account before we delete it in administrator. So PS, the administrator account. Then click Windows + U, home, then accounts, then family and other user, remove, and delete account permanently. Then wait. Then as you can see, we delete it. Then try to remove its password of standard account. So Windows + U to click. Then home, accounts, then sign in option, then the password, then change, then type your current password, then next, then to power in, type no password, next, click next, finish. So X, so Windows + L. So as you can see, the standard account will no password. Then I hope you have learned this tutorial. Then and thank you.